It's my second day of the workshop in Fagaras mountains. The weather, as you can see, it's really foggy and gloomy, and there's also a chance to rain at about 2 o'clock. This is exactly my kind of weather, the weather that I really enjoy going out and photographing up in the mountains. So I'm pretty confident that the shots that we're going to take today are going to look spectacular. This is the first part of the hike where there's going to be a really short effort of about 30 to 40 minutes until we reach an edge and a valley. This valley was our subject for the first stop. And what you're seeing right now, areas of light and darkness, was our main subject. And also places of fog, and we also had some sheep down there in the valley over there. Right now it's time to continue our hike. We have to go up there somewhere. It doesn't look that impressive on the phone, but let me assure you it is. And we'll see what other shots we can take.
You can call me stupid. Yes, you can call me sheep.
Right now we're in the middle of the hike, and as you can see, the view behind me is truly spectacular. I'm hoping for some more fog. I'm not used to see this kind of a landscape without fog, without moody clouds, so hoping for the best.
You can say I'm lazy. You can say I'm weak. Think that using her would get to me, and if you're right then you're in trouble, D. 'Cause I won't break, no, I know I won't wait. You're in trouble, D.
We had some hail, and right now the fog is really thick, but it's just like how I like it. We're gonna go down and reach some lakes. We reached a lake over here, and it's really foggy, but this creates an interesting opportunity where you can photograph these stones here, like they're suspended in space, if you want, in nothing. Now, as you can see here, it's pretty cold, but we're gonna wait. We hope the rain doesn't start again. That the rain won't stop and we're forced to go back. It's really foggy. The trail is going to be really difficult. The stones are slippery, but I'm confident that everything's going to be okay. We took some nice photos, some interesting images that you don't see every day. This is, I think, the essence of landscape photography. Now, in the end, hope you like it, hope you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're not already. You can also support me by buying one of my editing courses. The link is in the description of this video. And until next time, photographing, because it's the only way you can get better.